Today I'm going to show you how to make Instant Pot chicken tortilla soup. Starts with an onion. I'm going to set the Instant Pot to the saute function and saute the onions, garlic, carrot, and celery. While you're cooking the onions and the garlic and the celery and the carrots, you want to get your spices together. You want to go ahead and add a can of diced tomatoes with the juice, green chilies, and spices. And then I'm going to add 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, just whole, right in the pot. And then these are a cup of dried black beans that have soaked. 2 cups of water, 4 cups of chicken broth. Give the whole thing a good stir. Put the lid on. Set the Instant Pot to pressure cook at 25 minutes and let it naturally release. Okay, and while the tortilla soup is cooking, we can make some quick tortilla chips. Cut them into strips, and then we're going to put them on a sheet pan lined with parchment paper and brush them with a little olive oil and a little sprinkle of salt, and then put them in a 300-degree oven until they're nice and crisp. When the Instant Pot is done cooking and you want to manually release the pressure, make sure to put a kitchen towel over the vent, and that way the steam doesn't get it. Just waiting for it to let me open. So I'm shredding the chicken right in the pot. It falls apart really easily. And then I'm going to add a squeeze of lime to taste and dish it up. Cilantro, scallions. Avocado's nice if you want like a creaminess to the soup without adding dairy. Chicken tortilla soup in an Instant Pot.